Welcome to the HardReset POCO F4, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast the switcher is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast. We just can unlock the device less than in half of seconds. So this is the really good result for the face unlock. I just suggest you to try this unlock method on your POCO device, but be careful because the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.